In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor in WordPress. Installing Elementor on your WordPress site is a pretty straightforward process, but we want to ensure every step is crystal clear. To begin, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you can make customizations, install plugins, and manage the overall appearance and functionality of your site. If you're not familiar, the dashboard is usually accessible by adding "WP admin" at the end of your site's URL, and then entering your login credentials. Once you're logged into the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to hover over Plugins to reveal more options. Click on the Add New link to navigate to the Plugins page. This is where you'll be able to search for and add new features to your website, significantly expanding what you can do with your site. In the Plugins page, you'll find a search bar at the top right corner. Click into it and type Elementor Website Builder. Elementor comes highly recommended because it offers you an intuitive drag-and-drop interface to create beautiful web pages without needing to know how to code. After typing in the search, you'll see a list of options, but you want to keep an eye out for the one with the pink E icon. That's the hallmark of the official Elementor plugin you're seeking. Once you've located it, move over to the button that says Install Now and click on it. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the plugin is installed, you'll want to click on Activate. Activating Elementor is crucial because without activation, the plugin won't be in a usable state, which means you won't have access to any of its features or functionalities. After activation, you'll gain access to Elementor's drag-and-drop capabilities. This means you can effortlessly customize your website layout by simply dragging various content blocks to wherever you want them on the page. Besides, you'll also unlock a variety of basic widgets that allow you to add text boxes, images, and much more. Plus, Elementor comes with a selection of free templates, simplifying the process even further by providing pre-designed pages that you can easily tweak to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added Elementor to your WordPress site, opening up a world of endless design possibilities. Whether you're looking to create landing pages, portfolios, or even e-commerce stores, Elementor provides a versatile toolset for you to craft exactly what you envision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials to enhance your WordPress experience.